I just saw something that really irks me, and I think I'll show you guys about it. We're given this, and it is maintained. I mean, look at this beautiful, 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 beautiful park. It is maintained by the city and county of La Crosse, or whatever, whoever it's maintained by, and they do a wonderful, wonderful job. And then you get people in the mix, and what do you get? You get beer bottles. You get trash. I'm sure it's like this anywhere you go, you know, but there's more trash, and there's more trash, and up there's some more beer trash. You know, what's wrong with carrying it with you, put it in your pocket, put it in your vehicle, whatever, and throwing it away when you get near a trash can? Really, there's nothing wrong with it. There's some more trash. Look at that. More still. It's too much for me to pick up, really. I mean, there's some more. You know, I'll pick up some of the bigger stuff and throw it away, but I mean, this is just, it's crap. Yeah, well, and there's some more. Look at that. Look at that. There's more. Yeah. Oh, look at that. La Crosse's finest. I'm gonna pick some of the stuff up and throw it away. Alright, just on my way to the garbage can, throwing some of that stuff away. I found a sack. Found receipts from Walmart. Look at it, right next to the trash can. Friggin' A. Pizza fucking box. Oh, sorry. Pizza box. I mean, come on, people. Really? Is it really that hard, people? I really don't think it is. You know, spitting your gum out is one thing. Throwing an apple core or whatever is another. But trash? Come on, people. People of La Crosse, just, I don't know. It's probably worse in other cities, and it's probably, but, you know, I don't know. More trash. There's a squirrel. See what the squirrel's got to say. What do you think of all the trash in your park there, Mr. Squirrel?